Hey gang, this is Randy, with Randog 1951, and this is a video on a haircut from the fall look to the summer look. So it's 8:45 p.m. and good old Post Falls, Idaho. I've got my electric shears here. Let's see if I can get this done before the well, I still have light. Let's see, this is, use one of these. I believe that's a number 2. Yep, that's the number 2. And for that I'll use on the sides. And on top, I'm going short, or shorter. Let's see. I think that's number 4. Yeah. So, it's around 90 degrees. And I think I'll go for it. Get a little comfortable here. Okay, here we go. Yeah, just quarter to 9 p.m. Alright, this is the trickiest part. I can't see very well without my glasses. But remember, just remember, if you try this, the difference between, there's a good old joke out there. The difference between a good haircut and a bad haircut is about 2 days. No, 2 weeks. 2 weeks. It's been about a month, maybe 2 months since I gave myself the haircut the last time. I might end up with a crew cut. Or a buzz cut. I'm just going to go ahead and use the number 2 instead of the 4 on top. This probably won't be posted. We'll see. Either way, I'll have shorter hair. There we go. Arrow. Good boy. He's a good boy. Yeah. All right. There's that one. I adjusted the cutters on the shears, and they started removing more hair, so that's good. It sure feels great. Oh. Almost ended up with a huge bald spot. This thing fell off. That would have, yeah, I would have had a buzz cut. I would have gone with a butch or a crew cut or a buzz cut, whatever they call it these days. So, let's see. Yeah, guys, I'm running out of light. Let's see, when did I start? 8:45. It's about 3 minutes to 9. I'm gonna put on these gizmos for the go around the ear, and so this is for the left ear. It's on an angle. Cool. All right. Let me see the right. Find the right one. This is the fastest haircut I've ever given myself, I believe. Wrong one. What does that say? Okay, that's the left ear. Right ear. Ah, come on. I don't want to be doing this in the dark. Well, it probably won't matter. Okay, gang, that's it. I doubt if this is recording very well anyway. All right, it's been 17 minutes. I'll go in the house and we'll check it out. Let's see, put this baby on stop. Stop, pause.